Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we will cover threesome. I am Shreyaans. Let's start. So this is the part of our algorithm animation series. If you have not checked the playlist till now, check it. Link is in the description and in the I button. So the problem statement is we have been given an array and we need to find if there exists a triplet in this array. Triplet means three elements which sums up to the given integer x. Okay, let's think how we can solve this problem. Uh, Can we use the fact that we know twosome? If you don't know twosome, link is in the description and in the I button. I have already covered it. In twosome, what we were doing is we were finding two elements which sums to target. Can we use that twosome we know to find threesome? And if yes, how can we apply it here? If I fix an element and then I find two elements such that the sum of all these three elements becomes that equals to sum, then I can easily apply that twosome here. So if the sum of all these is equals to target, then I am done. Otherwise, if the sum is less, then I can increment the left pointer like we do in the twosome. And if the sum is greater, then we just decrement the right pointer like we did in the twosome. Our algorithm will be, we will sort the array so that we can apply twosome. If you have any doubt, please check the twosome video first. And then what we will do is we will iterate over the elements of the num. We will fix the num I in the nums, and then we will try to find two more elements such that the sum of all these three elements is equal to the target. Let's see the animation with an example. Here we need to find a triplet such that they add up to 24. So this is the given array. So what we will do, we will first sort it. Now let's take 1 as the first element and we fix the 1 here. And then we will apply the twosome in this array from 3 to 12. So I will take two pointers. Right now the sum is 16 because we have 1, then 3, and then 12. Sum is 16. It is not 24, so it is less, so we will increment the left pointer. Sum is 17, still less, so we will increment. 19 is also less, so we will still increment. 22 is also less than 24, so we will still increment. So right now the pointers are coinciding, that means it is not possible. So we will try for another element. So we will now fix 3. Now for 3 again we will apply the twosome. We will take two pointers left and right. Right now sum is 19 because 3 plus 4 plus 12 is 19. It's less, so we increment it. 21 is also less, so we again increment it. Now the sum is 24, so we got our sum and we got the triplet 3, 9 and 12. Let's see the pseudocode for more understanding. So what we did is we first sorted the array, then we iterate over the array and fix element at a time. We then write the code for the twosome. We take L and R, left and right two pointers, and then we run this while loop. If the sum is equals to the sum, we return true, we got the triplet. Otherwise, if the sum is less, we increment the left pointer, and if the sum is greater than sum, we decrement the right pointers. And if the loop is over and we didn't return anything, that means we didn't get the triplet and we return false. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to view more content like this.